Hi, and thank you very much for tuning in. My name's Fraser Lewis, and I'm the co-founder of a Salesforce partner called Rephrase, based in London in the UK. We've been working in the Salesforce ecosystem since 2011, so we've been around for 10 years. We have a focus on using Salesforce Plus apps to help streamline and automate processes, and we absolutely love the Nintex products. They fit our business ethos very closely. Very powerful tools that can quickly create really useful functionality. We're going to demonstrate how using Nintex Forms and Nintex Draw Loop for DocGen, plus an e-signature app and Salesforce. You'll be able to see how it's really easy to capture grant applications and process them through Salesforce in a way that really cuts out an enormous amount of manual effort, streamlines your processes, and gives you access to the live data through dashboards, which will help you make insightful decisions without having to trawl through vast amounts of data in spreadsheets, for instance, just trying to get that same type of information out. So without further ado, we're going to start the demo. Thank you very much. We're going to begin by having a look at the Salesforce homepage, and you can see here the grant management dashboard, which is giving us useful information in graphical form, pulling data from different parts of the system and displaying it in a variety of different components. We've got Gauge, which is showing us how much grant funding has been awarded against a total of 1.8 million. So we're just under 700,000 for the year. And we can see how many grant applications have been received month by month, along with some other interesting information. And we can see here that we've had one grant application that's come in today. So what we're going to do next is switch across to Geraldine, who is the CEO of the charity who are going to be applying for a grant, and she has filled in the grant application form. So she's put her contact details in this top section. She's put information about her organisation in the second section, and then a bit further down she's put a description of the grant itself, what the purpose of the grant will be and how much she's seeking in terms of money. And then if she says yes to the question, have you received a grant from us before, the form displays another field for her to enter some information into. So she might just say something like, we applied for grant last year. These forms can be completely tailored to your needs, and they can have a lot of logic built into them, so you can hide and display fields depending on how people have answered questions. They can also be set up so that you can ask people to upload documents, and those documents will be stored in Salesforce along with the rest of the grant application data. When she clicks Submit Grant Application, that data will now be saved directly into Salesforce. So if we now go back into Salesforce and click on the grant application